Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
In front of us. No, when we tell that if they call us, you will. What did you say in the morning?
Just a minute. Let my son come.
पब्लिक से तो कम नहीं हुआ रुको
रुको पहले
बंद करो ना
तो बंद करो तो शटर
बंद
करेगा बाइकआउट करेगा नहीं क्या बोल बाइकआउट करेगा नहीं क्या नहीं खांग रहा
भी खराब काम करता
Sir, see, first thing, I have touched her like this, like my daughter. Okay, means you do this, you do that. If I have touched in a wrong way, you can.
तो कंठे से भाग पाए
वन कम
कितना बार क्या आपको
No, if I touch you like this, would you mind? Would you mind? If I touch you like this,
क्या हुआ नहीं तंग itu क्या हुआ
Okay, see, can you stop recording, please?
no, we are from media. No, we are from personal.
Let's talk directly. As being what happened to she was working with mobile, no?
Casually,
She said like that. Did you what it was?
I have told her, please don't use mobile.
ong se phi karena sen abun sen
I have told her, please don't use mobile.
Kata kalau di nang excuse ni mo ngar maladam palat dengan mi. Ngami ngan mi nam tasi ai katulop jongai ai tengah pen mi senan kan kata wajin kata akti ka jing ai mo. Nama ngan mi sendan ngan ong senan kata ka jing kata akti ka jing ai. Kata ruman ka pori kata abe kum tai ni yang ai ai. Amdi dah ka first time.
every time
So it's his mistake.
Even you said this is
I
not the first
understand.
time.
I understand. So no, my mother came ना. अच्छा एक काम करते हो कौन है बाहर संतोष संतोष हम क्या बोल रहे हैं अभी 608 डायल कर मम्मी को बुला ले एक बार so what do you want now let's
अब बोला मिस्टेक है बार
mistake
बार
I'm telling you
मिस्टेक
so that's what I'm telling you no
है
It's not intentional, sir. She is like my daughter.
No, no.
okay
don't flip the coin
don't flip the coin let's not flip the coin
let's talk directly
हाँ,
what we need to talk to be settled right
settled
so
yeah
don't
let's
flip the
yeah let's not flip the coin
See, this is not the first time. Okay, this is first. We came for the first time. But
Bola,
when we get the
Santosh.
news, this is not the first time. Not only you, there are
I
several
understand.
shops that we get a complaint, right? So the thing is that this is not the first time. They was telling us this is not the first time. If it was the first time, they could understand that it was like somehow it's a small place. I could get it
Yeah, I can
somehow. It might touch somewhere else, but they tell it was not the first time. So it was intention that you do. You do with intention, no? That is a problem. You do with intention.
See, sir, frankly speaking, being a very, very senior citizen, I don't have any intention to molest the girls like my daughter.
So they are lying.
No, they are
You're
not.
not lying.
They are not lying.
You
But
admit with me,
misunderstand.
right? You admit with me they are
No,
not
not
lying.
misunderstand. You are touching here and there is
दुकान
not.
से फ्रेंड बाहर
Nampak khang ra dukan nampak khang ra. Dadan kam yung jubay kot.
so it's okay. We'll talk now we are talking sir we are talking let's settle it let's settle it
Kay advice kay kajing kwa jing gini.
exactly so let's settle it up
Dada kamlong ra ngin bay kon. Ngin sakam into the table ta banya.
Depan mak mata ni computer ka first time. Kan sajajang
so what do you want us to do now you just tell me that now it's simple
Don't take it for granted. When
Yeah.
it's simple also don't take it.
I'm not taking it for granted but at least you can tell now like what can we it has to be done
कमलंग रे बाबू ukulan ni कमलंग
Naman nahikiran mi plan mi.
In many years, no, we have been doing this. We get several complaints.
I know I understand that
So they are afraid to confront us. So they are not afraid to confront. So that's the only problem. For the previous, they are afraid to confront. These people, they are not afraid
If
to confront.
you girls, you feel it is my mistake, I feel sorry.
But every time you do this,
And I promise
it's
that
not
I
a
will.
mistake.
no it's not about the promise it's not mistake or sorry let's baat we have to finish up the matter so
you
let's
should
not
not, you should not tell no.
हो गया
तो हम तो बोल रहे हैं ना कि गलती हो रहा है तो
गलती कितना बार गलती एक बार नहीं होता बार बार हो गया
कर रहे हैं सब यहाँ में जो
किसके लिए?
नजदीक में वो लोग भी कंप्लेन किया बार बार
नहीं
No, we get a complaint from these girls. They get a complaint from these girls that he is touching here and there.
हम हिंदी जानते हैं बेटा.
हिंदी में बोल दीजिए.
ने ये लोग कंप्लेन दिया मतलब ये भैया मतलब इन लोग का टच कर रहे हैं या वहाँ में.
क्या किया बेटा? ऐसा कुछ नहीं करता. हम तो अभी बोला ना तेरे को. इसका आदत है ना क्या है ना ऐसे हाथ करने का.
अच्छा अभी अच्छा
पूछो इसको.
ब्रो कैन यू जस्ट लिसन.
Let them talk first and we'll talk more.
सॉरी बेटा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बेटा.
No. Let them. What do they? क्या चाहिए इन लोग को? कैसा sorry
सॉरी चाहिए तो सॉरी बोल देगा. हम बोल रहे हैं
बार करता.
नहीं करता बार बार. ऐसा बात ही नहीं है बेटा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मेरा बेटा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. ऐसा आदत है इसका ऐसे ऐसे करने का थोड़ा.
It is my habit being like a seriously. I just
नहीं बेटा
touch like this.
ये सब काम ऐसा नहीं है.
Do it.
आवाज भी मत करो.
हाँ अभी भी आप इसको छेड़ रहे हैं. ऐसे ही करते हैं ये ना. ऐसा है
No,
बेटा.
that's different thing. When you feel harassed, when they touch, they feel it harassing, and when you just touch as a senior, there's a two different way.
Okay bro now.
Most of the people, they flip the coin.
See, like my thinking is different, and their thinking may be
is
different.
but touching
Their-
every time,
Okay.
there's no different
may be
thinking.
देखिए आप लोगों से हम माफी मांगते हैं. अगर कुछ भी ऐसा है मेरा बेटी इससे भी बड़ा है.
इधर आओ.